nagtanong ka nga sa akin. I was born.
Hindi. Ito yung tanong.
Paano po sila ng tama?
Ano masasabi mo sa pagpasok natin ng 8 a.m.?
Really fun.
Nakakainis.
Bakit?
Lamig-lamig ng tubig.
Ikaw Larry.
Masyadong maaga para sa chapter 3. Actually, pumasok kami ng 8 a.m. Pero anong oras kami nakapasok ng school? Para lang sa thesis namin. Ha? Pipicturan? Thesis ba natin to? Pipicturan daw namin yung thesis namin. Ikaw siya, ba't ka pumasok ng umaga? Sinong, ano yung commercial dati? Ano yung commercial dati yung Nescafe? Talaga kayo yung tinanong ko, no? Ano yung,
Oh my God. Para kanino ka bumaba?
Ayun. Para kanino ka bumabaon, Jaja?
Para sa'yo. Joke lang.
para sa
Parang Korean lang. Para sa'yo. Para sa anyo sa'yo. Gugutom na kasi.
bumawan siya sa
Mag-thesis
nagugutom
muna kami ulit. Bye-bye.
Ano naman yan? Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. What they gonna say? I'm a dream, bad boy. About to go.
Anybody out there? Raise your hand for the crew photo. I see one person. Any more? Raise your hands to get your photo taken. Raise your hands to get your photo taken. I see one person. Any more? Raise your hands to get your photo taken. So there's only 3 of you. Any more players? Then throw your hands in the air. I see one person. Any more? Raise your hands to get your photo taken. Left team, we're about to take your crew photo. Okay, we're going to take your crew photo now. Hands down and look at the connects. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you look good. Want to keep this photo?
Yes, I'm gonna keep that. Oh my god.
Left group, get out the way and make room for right team. team, step up and get with your crew. Raise your hands to get your photo taken. Party people, step up and raise your hand for the crew photo. I see one person. People, raise your hands to get your photo taken. I see two people. Any more players? Raise your hands up. So there's only three. Any more players? Then throw your hands in the air. Right team, front and center for your crew photo. Okay, we're gonna take your crew photo now. Hands down and look at the connect. 3, 2, 1, pose. What you think? You like that photo?
You like that photo?
This should be good.
Bago na ba? Pero ano na yung photo natin, oh. Pero kami ang photo. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Ay, hello? Hindi ka na nasanay. Wow, naka-shades talaga si Auntie Belen. Prepared na prepared si Casey kasi may dala pa siyang shades. Samantalang ako nililipad na yung bangs ko. So, ako yung shades. Wow. Black na black. Ja. Yvonne. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Here we go. Oh my god. So freaking hot. Sunshine. Oh my god, you go for. I'm walking on sunshine. Sure. Sa'yo magluluto. Ba't parang tayong dalawa lang ata kita? May team naman. I'm walking on sunshine. Yay! Adobo connection. Happy eating, guys. Tapos na yung punta po ba tayo sa school? Ayaw na nila pumakong. Ayun na naman. Ano? Kailangan natin pumasok. Kunwari. Gana naman. Papasok ba tayo? Tayo pa yung tinatawag. Kasi naman yung pag-dance, na kami, nakakain na rin kami ng tanghalian.
Lahat tayo di pa naka-report. Dapat kasi tayo na nag-report ako. Sorry lang.
Garit na tuloy si Jaja. Sino ba?
Ay,
si
hindi ka
Jaja,
lang.
garit na. Jaja, anong pinaglalaban natin? Kulang daw extra rice kanina.
Alin dun? Oh my God. Ang payat ng leg. Parang legs lang lahat. Walang Ay? Nagpa-play pala siya. Di ko pala siya na-post.
Sugar eyes Papasok pa tayo agad. Ikaw, anong problema nila kung papasok pa tayo? Pero,
Tingnan niyo yung basement parking lahat.
sasabay. Siyempre pumasok tayo kasi pag in-upload mo yan, pag sinabi ko hindi, papanood pa ng magulang ko. Kahit may YouTube, may nag-YouTube pa yung parents.
Ay, kami
Di baka sakaling manigaw, yung view nila. Aral.